Hi there, I'm Belarus from TechCity, back with the TechCity news update. In the news today, the iPhone 14 series may be delayed due to fresh lockdown restrictions in China. Also, Elon Musk's Starlink may compete with local ISPs and telcos in Nigeria. Nigerians have threatened to sue INEC for closing down the online voter registration portal before time. Details after this. The scheduled launch of the iPhone 14 this fall may be delayed due to a hitch in the production of the devices from China, TechCity reports. Despite being designed in California, USA, the assembling of all Apple products takes place in China. This is allegedly because of the high human and labor resource in China and its affordability, both of which save Apple a lot of money when they assemble their products there. Recently, however, a series of COVID-19 cases have sprung in China, forcing the country to go into lockdown and restrictions. As a result of these restrictions, workers cannot perform their duties, hence slowing down the manufacturing process of the iPhone 14 series. This will delay the engineering verification tests by at least 3 weeks in comparison to the launch of last year's iPhone 13. 9to5Mac reports that though the Chinese lockdowns are poised to take a major toll on Apple this quarter, the company expects to manage the turbulence. On its part, Foxconn Technology Group, Apple's main iPhone manufacturer, has been able to keep most facilities running. That includes its largest groups of factories in the central Chinese city of Zhengzhou. Elsewhere, days after tweeting that his satellite company Starlink would serve everywhere on Earth that they are legally allowed to serve, Elon Musk has confirmed the approval of Starlink by the Nigerian Communications Commission, NCC. TechCity reports that in May of 2021, Musk sent SpaceX representatives to the NCC to discuss his company securing a license to operate Starlink in Nigeria, a visit which has now proven successful, with the Nigerian Communications Commission, NCC, revealing that Starlink secured not one but 2 licenses to begin operations in the country. Trading with the name Starlink Internet Services Nigeria Limited, the company obtained licenses that fall under the Internet Service Provider ISP category and will be valid for 10 years beginning from May 2022, making Starlink a direct competition for telcos and private internet service providers in Nigeria. On the price side, Musk's Starlink will cost about $110, around 60,500 naira for pre-order, and $599, about 330,000 naira monthly for a full kit, which will include a terminal, a mounting tripod, and a Wi-Fi router. Premium package for Starlink will come at a pricey 1.375 million naira, about $2,500, and 275,000 naira, about $500 per month. And before we go, as the 2023 elections in Nigeria draw closer, unregistered voters have made a call to sue election umpire, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, for closing online voter registration and the continuous voter registration proposed closing on the 30th of June 2022, a time earlier than what the laws may have made provision for. Twitter user Jack_NG01 shared a screenshot of the INEC CVR provisions page, saying INEC has no reason to shut down the portal 9 months to the 2023 elections, as stated on the page. Another Twitter user argued that while the law did not state how early the portal should be closed, it only stated how late the portal could not stay open for. There are also arguments over INEC last week suddenly extending the deadline for the conduct of party primaries by political parties by 6 days from June 3rd to June 9th, but acting aloof over actual voter registration. While some Nigerians have complained that voter registration in their part of the country has proven difficult and a bit of a frustration, others say this is the price to pay for registering late or registering for the first time ever. And that's all we have time for on the TechCity News Updates today. Please sound off in the comments what your thoughts are on some of these news items, and we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to please subscribe to our channel for more tech news, gadget reviews, and a lot more tech information. I'm Belarus from TechCity saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.